Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In this video we have the Vanasche Motorsports Husqvarna 701 fuel nozzle, or fuel cap, I guess. But this thing's heavy. This is really nice. So the reason why I did this actually, so me personally, it's not something I normally would do. I've done some ridiculous mods in my time, but it's not something that's standard for me. But what I've heard from a lot of people is that the key here gets kind of jammed up when it's kind of muddy or dirty or sandy, and that's going to be most of my riding anyway, is because this thing's going to be covered in sand constantly. And so yeah, this is just gonna get it gunked up. And so I was gonna order one of these for the rear, for the dirtiest, and the Vanasche had a LR special where if you buy one, you get the second one 30% off because you need two for your LR tank. And I thought, oh, what the hell, I'll buy two of them. So let's get this unboxed, actually, before we get started. And by the way, this is an American company. It's one dude, Andrew, who runs it. Really cool dude. I've enjoyed talking with him, chatting with him. So, you know, I would say if these parts get ripped off on like Chinese eBay, support him. He's a nice guy and just really gives a shit about the community and his products and wants people to have a great experience. That's a good thing, right? Of course it's a good thing. So here's the fuel cap. So inside there, it's all nice billet aluminum. You've got a piece right here that actually you can attach a nice ring that holds this in. So when you are riding along, you won't this won't unscrew and fall off, but also you can set it aside and it won't fall off your bike. Nice, look at that. Beautiful craftsmanship. And it's gonna fit basically right there on top, because you can see there's a little triangle in there. Let's get the OEM fuel tank off and then we'll proceed from there. This is so we're gonna enter our Husky key in here. Pull this off. All right, so these are T25s. I'm gonna yank that off, start those up. Perfect. Okay, so we have the this piece taken off here. We're going to now reroute the overflow tube to this piece right here. And we have slightly longer bolts, so let's make sure everything fits in here. Yes. Oh yeah. Because you also have right here a gasket hole for the fuel gasket. So we can go ahead and yank. Okay. Yank this off. So now we're going to push this in here. And then make sure the fuel filter gasket is in place. Drop that right. Oops. Drop that right there. It's on it. Good. And now you're going to get these three longer bolts, and you're going to drop them all here. But one of them, the rear, is going to go through this connector here, just like that. Let's do it this way, like that. Nope, this way. It's up to you, but I kind of want it to sit flush. And now find where all those fit in. These look like size 4s. Let's see. They are size 3s. Make sure they all start and thread. Oh wow, this is a nice piece of kit. All right, so now that those are all good, make sure this is straight back. This didn't come with any instructions, so I don't know the torque specs here, but I would say check your tech manual, your repair manual from Husky, and look at what they quote. But I would assume, given this is a plastic subframe with little brass fill-ins, 20 Newton meters. You know, don't go crazy. Once you start to feel some real good resistance, you're good. All right, there's that. Now, the last piece is going to be the fuel cap. Wow. Okay, these are really nice. And then you're going to need to marry this up. That way you won't lose your fuel filler cap, which would be unfortunate. I've left a lot of stuff on the trail, and I've never left a fuel filler cap before. Also a 3 mil. Interesting how that bottoms out. Huh. Is that supposed to bottom out? Yeah, it's bottomed out. I'll send some feedback to Andrew and see if that's the correct anticipated thing. And then, of course, you should keep your OEM cap and you marry these back up together by putting this here and turning the key, and then put this in a box for the next guy. That is a really nice piece of kit. Sorry this isn't stabilized. You unscrew here, pop this off, fill one of your 2 fuel tanks. That's me being smug about having an LR. Oh, you know what? You know, I think I understand what he was going with here, because if this is completely bottomed out, then as you're spinning, it's going to basically get in place. So by having it actually be loose up here, you won't have any issues with it turning with the cap. Smart. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks, Andrew. Great work. I've got one going up front, too, but I'm going to wait until the very end. Honestly, there's no point in really showing you the same install video twice. But rock on, guys. Thanks for watching, and take care.